Hi, my name is Inan, and this is my Blue Stamp Milestone 2 video, as well as just documenting all of the progress that I've made so far. So for my Milestone 1 video, I worked on configuring all of my character's basic movements. So as you can see, she can run in every direction. She turns to face whichever direction she's running in. She can jump. And now for Milestone 2, I've also added, as you can see, there's some texture on the floor now, and there will be texture on the walls too with other various decorations and stuff and such. Everything has colliders now, so walls and stuff are interactable. And she can also attack. She has two different attacks: this light attack, which is a little bit faster and does less damage, and this heavier attack, which is slower and does twice as much damage. And I've also configured my enemy AI. So as you can see, if I get within a certain radius of the skeleton enemy here, he starts chasing my player character. The idea behind it, he's pretty slow because I also have, if you can see here, a bunch of other sprites which are off screen somewhere. But the idea behind it was that skeleton would be the slower enemy with a bigger radius to be able to spot the player, whereas other enemies would be faster but have smaller radiuses. And the skeleton also attacks, and as you can see, my player takes damage when he attacks. And then, he returns to his animation. I can also attack him. And then after he takes a bit of damage, he's dead. And this is also interactable. You can see that I'm running into it without moving. Yeah. So to give you a little bit of insight into the code that I've been working on, this is the player side scroller motor, as I've named it. It's almost 300 lines of code. And this handles basically everything for the player, which is, if she's taking damage, keyboard inputs, ground check, which is this big section right here. And then I also have some other scripts. For example, the skeleton enemy controller here handles basically everything on the skeleton logistics side, as well as some other animation behaviors. And you can see all of the scripts right here. Not all of them are in use right now, but yeah, that's basically everything that I've been working on so far. It's not necessarily a full-fledged game yet, but game development takes a long time, and I have many of the basic elements of a game, but they're just not all put together. And that's more tedious than it is difficult, in my opinion. And I didn't have a ton of time in this Blue Stamp engineering session, so okay, glad you enjoyed. Glad you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.